folks, namaste and good morning. It's a wonderful morning from a wonderful city, Birganj. Yes, welcome to day second of our Kathmandu to Kanyakumari drive that we are doing today. Yesterday we did around 157 kilometers from Kathmandu till here. We had consumed around 42% to do that. If you haven't seen my last video, please do watch it. Because yes, yesterday night we got our car, Tata Curvy, we charged 100%. We are at 99 now maybe. And we have got 400 plus kilometers of driving range for today. Our plan today is to reach Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh maybe. It's around 825 kilometers away from here. Let's see if we can do it or not. We are not in a hurry, by the way. Yep, what we are going to do is we are going to cross the border now. I know it's going to take some time. After that, we are going to hit the highway. Our first stop will mostly be Patna for juicing it up. After that, it will be Vanaras and then Jabalpur. No, in between there is Riva also in Madhya Pradesh. See, the route is by heart for me. I have done this route multiple times. Just that I have to deviate from the main highway many a times. Okay, so let's go guys. Wish us luck. And if you haven't seen the first video, do watch. And for people who have already seen it, for people who have commented in it, thank you so much. I was really encouraged by reading your good comments, encouraging comments. Okay, let's drive. And by the way guys, AC is on, seat ventilation is already on, it's hot here. What's the temperature? It is 24 degrees Celsius. In economy drive mode, we have got 428 kilometers of driving range, we have got 99%. Trip A is 0, trip B will be around 158 kilometers like I said. Sir, aren't you surprised? Check out how clean Birganj is nowadays. I think all these new mayors, they are on top of their toes when it comes to proving, when it comes to working. Okay, no, another? So far, sir, it's clean.
Single person एउटा नेतृत्वमा आउने मान्छे लिडरशिपमा आउने मान्छे एउटा single person that makes a huge difference.
True. See, I can feel that. Border is around 2-3 kilometers away from here, Raxol, and hope our border crossing goes smoothly. People are praying here. So which way do we go? What is special आज? Eid हो नि त आज. Hey, happy Eid people, happy Eid, happy Eid. Sir, कताबाट जाने हो रक्सोल जानलाई?
ठ्याक्कै त जानु एउटा बाटो होला त्यो बुखार चोक भन्दा
बुखार चोक. बुखार चोक. ए,
नामै बुखार
ल सर.
बुखार चोक जानु
ए खुल्यो खुल्यो खुल्यो
खुले जस्तो छ हजुर.
खुल्यो छ हजुर
खुले जस्तो छ.
खुल्यो हैन उठ्यो
अब त 2-4 मिनेट त्यसो भए पर्खिनु भइहाल्यो
यताबाट कति लामो पर्छ अहिले
1 किलोमिटर
Okay sir, we are at the border now and you know what to do, right? Yes. We have to take a right and go towards the immigration. We have to get stamp in our permit,
validate the permit
and then go towards India, get the stamp there and then start our journey in Indian roads.
Yes.
On the right, this is the immigration office. We have to take a right from there and exit will be from the back. Vijay sir, good luck.
yes sir
Vijay Baba.
विजय बाबा
The process is we have to get the stamp here, Nepal side, and then we have to go towards India's border and then get stamped there also. But this doesn't happen when you are in UP border. UP border, you can directly go towards India's side. Here, I don't know what is the reason. It's little different. The process is little different. And of course, we have to follow it, right? Let's do it. Somebody is happy.
तपाई पनि सही म पनि सही रहेछ अस्ति यहाँ स्टाफ थिएन रे त्यसरी यता गरेको रहेछ अब यही हुन्छ नि उसको अब स्टाफ दरबन्दी आइसक्यो
People at the border now, about to enter no man's land. अब यसपछि टिकटक चल्दैन त्यही भएर टिकटक भिडियो सुट गर्नुपर्ने थियो मलाई. That's the reason I stopped here. एउटा टिकटक भिडियो बन्छ, त्यो पोस्ट हुन्छ, सबैलाई इन्फर्म गर्छौँ हामीहरू and then we'll continue our journey. It's gonna be a long drive. Nepal side को immigration process we have done it. अब India side को गर्नुपर्ने छ. Nepal side को is that side. त्यो गरेर अब हामीहरू no man's land मा छिर्छौँ. त्यसपछि we are gonna enter India. Come on sir, let's do it. Let's go. हाम्रो इन्डियन सिम चलेछ कि छैन? अब मेरो त चेक गर्नै बाँकी छ. सडनली म किन योगेश भट्टराई जस्तै बोल्दैछु गर्नै बाँकी छ भनेर. What happened to me? गर्नै बाँकी छ. आइदर योगेश भट्टराई और हाम्रो केही नेपाली मान्छेहरू छन्
च्याप्पा पारेर
नेपाली पनि इंग्लिश एक्सेन्टमा बोल्ने
म पनि च्याप्पा पारेर आउँछ अब
that yellow building on the right, that's the place we have to go and we have to get enter it. Hey, thank you sir, thank you. Thumbs up there जादै छ.
Co-driver seat belt.
Oh, yes, we got the permit now. We are already inside India. Welcome to India once again, sir.
वेलकम अल
Welcome all.
तपाईहरु पनि आउनुभयो
फाटक बन्द छ फाटक
फाटक पनि बन्द छ यो
है तेरिका यो फाटकले बवाल गाह्रो गर्छ
हामी न्यु इयर जाने के फाटक भित्रबाट
Continue straight past Ansari Chowk Raxol.
Okay, we'll do that. Our ETA is 1:32 p.m. to Patna. That's for recharge.
In 400 meters, turn left.
Because these people, they don't have the person here, one who's giving us the fast tag, we'll have to pay double the amount. 75 rupees is the toll tax rate here, but we are gonna pay 150 rupees. Whenever you are traveling in India, get the fast tag. Otherwise, each and every toll booth, you're gonna pay double the amount. We wanted to avoid that, but we couldn't do that.
and toll charges is not cheap.
It's very expensive. 150 रुपैयाँ यस्तो टोल त कति आउँछ बाटोमा काम नकाजमा फाइन लगाइदियो 75 रुपैयाँ फी 75 रुपैयाँ फर नन फास्ट ट्याग फी भनेर 150 रुपीज चार्ज सर वेलकम टु बिहार
Yes, sir. We have a speed check here.
हो जस्तो छ स्पिड चेक जस्तो छ यहाँ हैव टु बी केयरफुल विथ around 22% battery we have done 79.7 kilometers already. Okay, we are getting the second toll of the day and I hope they've toll staff here. It's 130 rupees, 260 bucks if you don't have the fast tag. No, we need to get the fast tag. Photo खिच्दैछ ब्रोले अप्रुभलहरु लिनको लागि अब हाम्रो permit चाहिन्छ. He'll require our permit, he'll require a phone number, that's all. So we've got Mr. Nirbhay here. He is entering the details for the fast tag. Yes, we got our fast tag. This is our fast tag sticker and now things will be easy for us. के भन्दैछ साथीले?
गप्पे लडाको विशाल कुमार सिंह
विशाल कुमार सिंह धन्यवाद.
गर्लफ्रेंड से बतिया रहा था
गर्लफ्रेंड यहाँ से
गर्लफ्रेंड से
शर्मा गए रहे हो यार.
यो चाहिँ ट्रकको पछि न
अब त फास्ट ट्यागले चट्ट हाम्रो फास्ट ट्याग रिड गर्नु पर्यो हामीलाई पठाउनु पर्यो. रिड गरे हो अब एसएमएस आउँछ टुङ्गा मलाई तेरो यति पैसा काट्यो भनेर
100 कति 130 रुपैयाँ
130-35 कति थियो बिर्सेँ मैले. We're trying one charging station here in Muzaffarpur.
गुगल एडभेन्चर
कहाँ पुगिसक्यो कहाँ पुगिसक्यो ठिकै छ धेरै किलोमिटर छैन. लेट्स ट्राई इफ वी गेट अ चार्जिङ स्टेशन हियर वी क्यान अभोइड पटना. That's the reason we are trying. Let's see if you're not getting this one. Obviously Patna is there. चार्जिङ स्टेसनको हन्टले कता कता पुऱ्यायो हामीहरूलाई
Then turn left.
मुजफ्फरपुरको गल्ली गल्ली. अरे जान्छ रे यहाँ छ कि क्या टेक अ राइट.
हाइट है हाइट लगेर न्यारो
ट्रेनसँगै छौँ त हामी.
आज मेरो पुरै ड्राइभिङ प्र्याक्टिस भएर छ
Amit sir, thank you so much. Thank you. This is Tata Muzaffarpur, Yashraj Tata Motors. We were here for quite some time, more than 2 hours, 3 hours I think. The machine here is just 30 kilowatt machine and we couldn't charge much, you know. We just got 85%. Now we are moving ahead. Mr. Amit Kumar Singh, he was really helpful. You know what we did? We got this vehicle charged and we used his app and his money for getting it charged. And later on, I paid him. Of course, I paid him everything. Straight. अस्ति हामी पर्खेको ठाउँ यतै हो नि. उहाँ हो नि. है last time when we came here, horn चौका यति horn बजाएको थिएँ. So yes, he loaded 4,500 rupees in my app here, Tata's app. We tried our cards also, like his credit card, my debit card. We tried everything. Our bank's card also we are not able to load. I spoke to Lokesh sir also. He had loaded money with his card last time, but I don't know if in our case it's not working. See guys, it's difficult, I know. Last year when we came here, one day from Kathmandu we had reached Muzaffarpur. Now it's the second day from Birganj we are at Muzaffarpur, and you know what's the time now? It's 4 p.m. already. Now, when are we driving? What are we doing? And when are we reaching Kanyakumari? Man, it's not easy. It's not easy, but we are not giving up. We are doing it. We are doing it. Main problem is with the charging station infrastructure. Nepal is way ahead, man. Way ahead.
अब हेर्नुहोस् हामी सेम एक दिनमा हाम्रो अस्तिको राइडमा फर्स्ट डेमा हामी कति चाहिँ पुगेको थियौँ मुजफ्फरपुर
मुजफ्फरपुर हामी 3-4 बजे पुगेको थियौँ।
त्यो पनि यही हर्न चोकमा
अँ।
मस्त बसेर कति चिल मारिसकेको थियो त ठिक छ येट टु सी हेरौँ अब के हुन्छ
अझै कति डिफिकल्टिजहरू आउँछ बाटोमा हेर्दै जाने हो। इजी चाहिँ छैन, इजी चाहिँ छैन, यो डेफिनेटली इजी छैन। बाई बाई मुजफ्फरपुर, अन्टिल नेक्स्ट टाइम।
अब गुरु मन्त्र के रहेछ भने बिस्तारै गए अवश्य 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 पुगिन्छ।
यहाँ हामी अब we are not being brutal हैन त सर?
बी भेरी काइन्ड
Very gentle throttling this guy.
अघि एकदम हार्सले गरेको थियो नि बसियो 3 घण्टा त्यही भएर बिस्तारै जाउँ अवश्य पुगिन्छ अवश्य।
We have got 303 kilometers of driving range. 81% is battery. 164.5 kilometers. That's all. And time is 4:15. Goodness. आज रातभरि चलाइन्छ सर गाडी?
कथाले सायद त्यस्तै मागे जस्तो छ।
कताले त्यस्तै मागे जस्तो छ। अदरवाइज कन्याकुमारी पुग्नलाई त्यति इजी लागेको छैन है मलाई। जम्मा 165 किलोमिटर्स फ्रम नेपाल बोर्डर अहिलेसम्ममा। मुजफ्फरपुर क्रस गर्यो, वी आर गोइङ टुवर्ड्स पटना। We are reaching the town called Behta, Behta, and we've got a Tata showroom here, and Tata's app is showing availability of 2 guns. I hope it's working there, and we've done just 276 kilometers today. If you're asking me to record everything, no, it's not possible. कहिले चार्ज गर्नुपर्छ, कति किलोमिटर यति पछि चार्ज गर्छु भन्ने चीज हाम्रोमा छँदै छैन। जहाँ भेट्छ त्यहाँ गर्ने हो। यहाँ भेटेको छ, यहाँ गर्ने हो। अब यसपछि बनारस जाने हो, त्यहाँ गएर गर्ने हो चार्ज, हैन सर? हामी थकित देखिएको छौँ, तपाई त देखिनु भएको छ? छैन?
रातभरि गाडी चलाउनु बाँकी छ, कहाँ अहिले थकिनु भयो राइट।
यति कम किलोमिटर त हामीहरूले कहिले चलाएको थिएन होला है त्यो होल डेमा। ल दुईटा गनमा एउटा गन चाहिँ एसी गन रहेछ क्या यहाँ है, एउटा चाहिँ चलिरहेछ ल। My iPhone did not have the Indian SIM, so I was using hotspot to get connected in the iPhone, and all my discharging apps were in my iPhone, right? So what happens is you cannot use the charger, you cannot use the app if your phone doesn't have the SIM card, physical SIM card or eSIM. It should be there in your phone. We were not aware about that. Lucky there was one guy who came here with Tata Tigor. He said, what are you using? What internet are you using? I said hotspot from other mobile. He said that way it's not gonna work. Your mobile which has got this app needs to have the same. See, this is the learning. Now what we are doing is AC is on, we are charging our car and we are resting. We are gonna drive. See, this way reaching Kanyakumari is going to be difficult, right?
Yes, very difficult.
We are kind of hopeless when once in a while you गर्न सकिन्छ र जस्तो भइसक्यो के हामीहरुलाई. It's really difficult, guys. With the charging infrastructure, it is freaking difficult. Car, no issue. It's doing great.
Yes.
And morning, we were not that kind throttling the car. But after all this issue, from Muzaffarpur onwards, we are very kind and we are getting very good range. About 400 kilometers, I think, right?
Exactly.
That is the kind of range we are getting. We've achieved what? Kati, sir? 92? 93, sir, with 368 kilometers of driving range. आज हामीले जम्मा 270 ड्राइभ गरेछ हैन. How are things?
Good morning.
Good morning. 2:10 a.m. We got stuck in the rush, right? After that, we didn't get any place to eat also. We didn't have our dinner, man.
Yes, we forgot.
So it was Vijay sir who was driving. Then he said he cannot drive now. Then I started driving. And he went to that sit and he started sleeping. Little later I couldn't drive. He was sleeping. I stopped here. It's some tall plaza here. I just stopped here. I saw this truck on the front. I parked my car behind the truck. I was snoring, it seems, right?
Yes, you were snoring.
So we are about to start our drive again at 2:11. We have 357 kilometers of driving range with 79% battery. We need to go to Banaras and we need to do this top up thing, and after that we need to continue the drive. Eh?
Yes.
Let's do it. I'm not gonna vlog in between.
Let's get
While
going.
driving. Let's get going.
This is all what adventure is all about. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah,
let's go. Let's go.
do it.
Let's
Let's rock. We have 78% battery. Beautiful people, things has changed. Our perspective has changed. It's not easy. Good morning. It's 5:30 a.m. now. We are at Banaras. We're getting our vehicle charged. If one guy is driving, other guy will be sleeping here. That's what we're planning. Kati Mutsaru. Let's see if that works or not. We have done 550 kilometers only. I'll tell you one story. Last time when we are doing our eastern coastal ride from Banaras, we're going towards Kathmandu. We're returning back. And we had reached Etoda by 4 p.m. Bijay sir was asking me, he wanted to go till Kathmandu. I said, no, let's not do that. Let's take rest and go. Today it's technically third day. And we have just reached morning. We've just reached Banaras. And you know what, when I was driving, it was a continuous fight with the car. Because this ADAS feature, I put it on when I'm on the highway, right? I'd mentioned this many times. So my ADAS was on and this thing, it tries to control. It's a safety feature. So I was going with the flow. And second thing, the driver's seat, you can push it up and the sitting position is upright. It's really comfortable. And yes, driving is easy and comfortable, but charging station is not that comfortable. For now, I'm signing off, guys. If you're among somebody who is also about to travel to India driving your EV, comment section is yours. We can get connected via Facebook or Instagram. For now, bye-bye. Let me doze off for some time. Bye. Good night. Good morning.